All right, real quick, not a very professional video, just sitting here in the truck, but we got the Vortex Crossfire red dot and the FDE. Just gonna do a quick unboxing here. As you can see, you got the lens cover, you got a little wrench, you have the low mount, you have a manual, and then you have the dot. There it is. The FDE is nice. It does match Magpul FDE. I can confirm on that. But just wanted to show you what comes in the box. And you get that lower 1/3 mount that comes with it, and then you get the low mount also. So you can put it on something like a shotgun or 10-22, or you can throw it on an AR with the higher mount, and that works. Appreciate you watching.